Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how can I show the amount of inventory for a particular product, which is showing the available quantity of a product, as well as restrict the customer to actually not be able to shop for something which is out of stock. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is make sure that the product, whenever you're uploading the template of the product, the quantity has been given. If the quantity is not given, then it will not be able to manage inventory. We've already done that, and in order to really understand how it is done, you can go into inventory management video, or you can go into product upload video so that you'll be able to see how to upload this sheet. We are not touching on that today, but what we are now going to do is go into store configuration, go into shop settings, and when I am in shop settings, all we need to do is first show available quantity. If I show available quantity, then I'll be able to see the available quantity for this product, which is currently 7. Now, if I want that a customer should be able to add 7 quantities, then he'll be able to do that. But right now, it is allowing me to add even more than 7. That's the first thing. The second thing which is to note is that it is still allowing me to do that even if so let me check out right now, and I'm going to show you what happens if I finish the inventory completely. So let's say I check out, and out here I'll put in my details, I'll put in my GST number, save this information for the next time, and I'll check my validity of the phone. And if I go back into this product, what happens is right now the available quantity is 0, but it's still allowing me to add these products to the system. What if I want that this should not happen? All I can do is I can say restrict purchase of out of stock items. Now if I do that, then it is showing me out of stock. It is really not allowing me to purchase something which is out of stock. And further, if I want to change this, rather than saying out of stock, if I want something like back on the market soon, or we are out of stock, something of that sort, then what we can say is we can say out of stock text. And if I put in this, let's say rather than saying out of stock, we should say we are out of it, something silly like this. And if I refresh this, you'll be seeing that this out of stock message changes to your custom message. So that's how you manage available quantity, showing whether it is out of stock, and making sure that somebody cannot purchase something which is completely out of stock. Thank you.